Did you know yoga can increase your brain's gray matter while strengthening your core? But the benefits don't stop there. Yoga every day changes your heart, your hormones, and even your posture in ways you can't see right away. Stick around, and by the end, I'll not only explain how yoga after 40 is like hitting the reset button for your body, but I'll also share some simple yoga poses to get you started. First, let's talk about something we all crave as we age: flexibility. But yoga isn't just about touching your toes. It's about creating space in your body. Every day you practice yoga, your body becomes more flexible, which directly affects your posture. You know that nagging back pain or stiff neck? Yoga can eliminate that. It aligns the spine and relieves pressure from pinched nerves, making you feel taller, stronger, and more energized. And don't you just love that feeling when your posture improves and you stand with more confidence? Yoga makes that possible, but the benefits don't stop there. Yoga also boosts your organs and circulation. When you do yoga, your body's internal organs also get some much-needed attention. Through deep breathing and mindful movement, yoga improves blood circulation. It even improves your lung capacity. And the best part, yoga also helps your pancreas and thyroid work more effectively, which can have a huge impact on regulating your hormones. And here's a little secret: yoga is more than just a workout. It can actually help you burn fat. Most people think you need to run for hours or lift heavy weights to shed those pounds, but yoga actually speeds up your metabolism, which means your body burns fat even while you're holding a pose. What's even more amazing is that yoga can reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone that often causes that stubborn belly fat. With regular practice, yoga helps you say goodbye to that bloated, sluggish feeling and hello to a more toned, balanced body. When you combine yoga with proper breathing techniques, it's like giving your metabolism a serious boost, helping you maintain your weight with ease. But it gets better. Yoga isn't just about your body. It's an effective tool for your mental health, too. Yoga is incredibly healing for the mind. It calms the nervous system and helps you manage stress. In fact, many people use yoga as a way to treat anxiety, insomnia, and even depression. It's all about getting in tune with your body and taking that time for yourself. As you flow from one pose to another, you feel more connected to the present moment. This is where the magic happens. Yoga creates space in your mind, allowing you to breathe deeply, let go of negative thoughts, and find peace in a chaotic world. But it doesn't end here. As we get older, our bodies go through changes, but yoga has the power to help balance those changes. For women, it can normalize your menstrual cycle, ease PMS, and even reduce menopause symptoms. For men, it stimulates testosterone production, which helps men maintain their vitality as they age. Plus, did you know yoga can actually increase your libido? Yes, you heard that right. Many of the poses stimulate circulation in the pelvic area, improving overall sexual health. And for those of you dealing with migraines or chronic pain, yoga can be the solution. It reduces both the frequency and intensity of headaches, helping you enjoy life without that constant pain in the background. Yoga is truly a holistic practice, and whether you're male or female, young or old, it benefits every part of you, body and mind. Now, before you start rolling out your yoga mat, here are a few tips that you should know to make the most of your practice. Tips to maximize your yoga practice. 1. Start small. Stay consistent. You don't need to spend hours on the mat. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day can make a big difference. The key is consistency. Number 2. Focus on your breath. Deep, intentional breathing is as important as the poses. It helps you relax, boosts your energy, and enhances your practice. Number 3, listen to your body. Avoid pushing yourself too hard. If a pose feels uncomfortable, modify it. Yoga is about balance, not competition. Number 4, create a routine. Try practicing at the same time every day to make yoga a habit. Morning sessions can energize you, while evening yoga helps you unwind. Number 5, invest in proper gear. A quality yoga mat and comfortable clothes can make your practice more enjoyable and safer. Number 6, mix it up. Explore different styles of yoga, like hatha for relaxation or vinyasa for a more dynamic flow. Find what works best for your body and goals. Number 7, stay hydrated. Drink water before and after your practice to keep your body hydrated and support detoxification. Here are some common yoga poses you can try. Number 1, child's pose. A gentle resting pose that stretches your back, hips, and thighs while calming the mind. Perfect for relieving stress and tension. Number 2, downward dog. This iconic pose stretches your hamstrings, calves, and spine while strengthening your shoulders and arms. Great for improving flexibility and circulation. Number 3, warrior 2. It builds strength in your legs and improves balance while opening up your hips and chest. It's also excellent for boosting confidence. Number 4, tree pose. A balancing pose that strengthens your legs and improves focus. It's great for grounding yourself and enhancing stability. Number 5, the cat-cow stretch. A dynamic flow that improves spinal flexibility and relieves tension in the back and neck. Number 6, cobra pose. Strengthens your back, opens your chest, and can help alleviate lower back pain. Number 7, bridge pose. Opens your chest, stretches your spine, and strengthens your legs and glutes. It's also fantastic for calming the mind. Number 8, seated forward bend. Stretches your hamstrings, spine, and lower back while promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Plank pose. A core strengthening pose that also engages your arms, shoulders, and back. It's simple but powerful for building stability. Number 10, corpse pose. The ultimate relaxation pose, perfect for ending your practice. It allows your body and mind to fully rest and absorb the benefits of yoga. If you've loved learning about the physical and mental benefits of yoga, I've got another video that will blow your mind. Ever wondered what happens when you quit sugar for 30 days? Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Click on the link and let's explore how your body will transform without sugar and how this can pair perfectly with your yoga practice for a healthier, happier you.